Hello, friends. As we step into 2024, the professional landscape is transforming rapidly. Employers are on the lookout for a unique set of skills that go beyond traditional qualifications. Top skills employers crave in 2024-2025 are: 1. Data-driven problem solving. Employers across industries crave talent who can analyze data, extract insights, and easily translate them into actionable solutions. Example: a marketing team uses customer data to personalize email campaigns, resulting in a 30% increase in conversion rates. Here are some suggested steps to master this skill. 1. Dive deep. Master data analysis through online courses, boot camps, or a data science degree. 2. Practice relentlessly. Apply your skills on real-world datasets. Participate in hackathons and freelance for data-driven projects. 3. Embrace the loop. Continuously learn from data, iterate on solutions, and share your insights to become a sought-after problem solver. 2. Digital agility and adaptability. Technology is evolving at breakneck speed, and so must you. Employers need flexible employees who can learn new tools, adapt to changing workflows, and embrace innovation. Example: a software engineer quickly masters a new programming language to keep up with project demands, showcasing their continuous learning and adaptability. Here are some suggested steps to master this skill. 1. Diversify skill set. Learn various digital tools and platforms relevant to your industry. 2. Stay current. Regularly update your knowledge with emerging technologies and industry trends. 3. Embrace change. Cultivate a mindset of adaptability, welcoming new challenges, and proactively seeking opportunities to apply your digital skills. 3. Creativity and critical thinking. Employers value individuals who can think outside the box, solve complex problems, and generate innovative ideas. Example: a graphic designer uses creative storytelling techniques to develop a highly engaging marketing campaign, exceeding sales targets and boosting brand awareness. Here are some suggested steps to master this skill. 1. Curiosity crafter. Fuel your imagination, read diversely, explore new cultures, ask why relentlessly. 2. Think differently. Challenge assumptions, embrace diverse perspectives, practice mental model switching, bend your critical thinking muscle. 3. Do and iterate. Prototype ideas, experiment fearlessly, embrace feedback, refine, and repeat. Make creativity and critical thinking a dynamic duo. 4. Emotional intelligence and collaboration. The future of work demands strong interpersonal skills. Empathy, active listening, and effective communication are crucial for building trust, leading teams, and fostering a positive work environment. Example: a project manager navigates a conflict between team members with empathy and effective communication, resolving the issue and strengthening team cohesion. Here are some suggested steps to master this skill. 1. Self-awareness. Develop emotional intelligence by recognizing and understanding your own emotions. 2. Active listening. Hone collaboration skills through attentive and empathetic listening. 3. Relationship building. Foster strong connections by navigating conflicts with emotional intelligence, ensuring harmonious collaboration. 5. Automation and AI knowledge. While some jobs will be displaced by automation, understanding and working alongside AI will be crucial in many roles. Employees who can leverage AI tools, automate tasks, and interpret AI-generated data will have a significant competitive advantage. Example: a data analyst uses AI-powered tools to extract insights from customer data, enabling the company to personalize marketing campaigns and boost customer engagement. Here are some suggested steps to master this skill. 1. Code crasher. Start small, learn basic coding Python, SQL to understand. Automation logic, build your foundation. 2. AI apprentice. Explore online courses, tutorials, and free tools RASA. TensorFlow dive into the world of AI applications. 3. Real-world lab. Automate everyday tasks, build mini projects, contribute to open source AI initiatives. Practice makes perfect. Takeaways. By developing these additional skills, you'll not only stand out in the job market, but also contribute to a more sustainable, secure, and AI-powered future. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace continuous learning and adapt to the evolving landscape of work. Embrace this continuous upgrade movement, and nobody can stop you from winning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our journey of unlocking the top skills for career growth.